How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we're going to be covering another stop sell safety recall from Honda. This time it is involving the 2020 to 2022 Honda CRVs at this time, hybrids only. Not sure if it's going to be all 20 to 2022s or certain model years. There may be a VIN break. It's still too early to tell. But essentially what's happening is in the event of an accident to the left front section of the vehicle, the battery terminal may come in contact with the frame or chassis of the car or some sort of a ground point. At that point, obviously there could be a short circuit that may lead to a fire, potentially increasing the chances of you getting injured. So Honda is being proactive on this and they are addressing it. There seems to be no parts available and it is a stop sell recall at this time. So once parts become available, you will get a notification via mail, and when you go into your local dealer, you will also be notified if your vehicle is in fact affected by this recall, and the appropriate steps will need to be addressed at that time. Once again, nothing right now as far as any more details. This is all we have right now. This recall did come out today, so just sharing information and getting the information out there. In the event that something gets updated, I'll make an updated video, and once parts are readily available, I'll also make either a post or a video regarding that situation. So once again, once parts are available, you will get notified via mail, and you can contact your local dealer and you can see if your vehicle is covered under this recall. With that being said, I'll catch you guys on the next one.